Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus 10T, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first open the settings application and then click here to personalizations. After that you'll see here always on display section. Click here once, and to activate always on display feature you should use this switcher. If you want to change the display option, you can make it here, just play to display options and then switch power saving mode, or you can also set the schedule of the AOD. You can set the start and the end time, or also that can be used all day. Then just tap here to save. Let's lock our smartphone. And we can see that the always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.